What's up everybody, welcome back to another video. And I'm going to open up, you know what this is? This is available at Boots by Tesco, check them out. I'm going to unbox it today, so let's just do that, yeah? I might just put, let's go somewhere else. So yeah, I'm going to undo it. Now so I'm going to open it. Already put the thing off. So yeah, we open it. We took, oh yes. I'm just going to get the box out. This looks perfect. When I open this box, there's a little Ferrari sign, but when I open this box, it's going to be inside. 3, 2, 1, now. Behold the perfume that we are going to. Boom! Look at this! Look at this, crikey. Damn! Never saw something that good in my life. Yeah, just open it. Look at this. Look at this lid. Wow, fantastic. Just put it on like this. Like a piece of cake. Open it. Like a piece of cake. And just look what they made to it this time. Just look. Ferrari. Scuderia. Just look at the Ferrari sign. That is lovely. Look what they did to this. Let me squirt it. Oh, that smells lovely. You better get this. Available at Boots. All you gotta do, if you want to go on the website, is go type in Ferrari Red in Boots website. Then it'll come up with the picture of this. So yeah, let me just do something. Shutting the door. So yeah, it's available at Boots by Chet Mellet. I just got this like 10 minutes or 5, maybe even 2 minutes ago. I was like, I should vlog. What's up guys? I got this. Oh yes, this is amazing. So yeah, let me just try it on you guys. Oh god, that is wet. Let me just wipe it on my shirt. There, it feels good. So yeah. Ready? Oh, it's kind of wet, but just do this. It's amazing. So yeah, this line is not for opening like this. I can open it. Just pull this thing off. Don't know why there's a line there. At first, I was opening it like this. Try and open it. But I don't think you understand what I'm saying. So that's all. And see you tomorrow. If you wanna know where this was from again. So you can go to Boots near Tesco and Chet Mallet in the UK, and you go to it and you go near the, yeah? Here.